Today I am discuss about examples related to the examples related to examples related to external examples related to external CSS examples related to external CSS in web programming. So how to use the external CSS concept in okay. So external CSS, we have to create one separate CSS. Now I'm going to show you one example. Okay, now I'm going to create one HTML files. Okay, so first I'm going to give the name of the file. Okay, as per requirement you can give the any name. Okay, I'm going to show you a small demo how to use the external CSS concept in web programming. Okay, so later on I'll show you the one real-time examples related to them. So just I'm giving the name of the file name is examples. Okay, so this is my HTML file. Just I'm going to select my HTMLs. Okay, okay, so my file name is what extra.html. Okay, so I'm going to show this save this file. Okay, so just I'm writing doc type html. Okay, so I have html. So in html there is a opening, then there is a closing is there yes. so so I'm just going to add my head tag. Okay, because I need to include my respective external file, external css file. Okay, so before I'm going to include the file, just I'm writing the title name. Okay, I can add so my first external external css examples. Okay, I can give it any name of the titles. Okay, it's up to you. You have to give this name only. Okay, so after that, so now I'm going to include the my external css. Okay, right now I'm just writing the syntax. Okay, so later on I'm going to use. Okay, so RDL is nothing but it's a style set. Okay, then I'm going to define the type. Okay, which type it is a text slash. Okay, text slash what css. Okay, then we have a h reference. Okay, so I have not created any file, that now I'm just keeping as a blank. Okay, so when I will create the file, then I'll give the respective file name in my respective href. Okay, so this is my body. Okay, so in body I'm just writing in a few tags. Okay, a few element you can say, or tag you can say, and just I'm writing a small example related just I'm writing any content. Okay, it's up to you. You can add any content. Okay, just I'm using any heading tags. Okay, so this is heading tags. Okay, just I'm closing the heading tags. Okay, so just I'm using s file. Just I'm closing the respective s file. Similarly I can use the anchor and s just to I'm calling my any files. Okay, just I'm calling my respective files only, or else you can use www any url. Okay, so we can write them. Okay, just I'm writing my page. Okay, so we can give any name of this one. Okay, just closing this one. Okay, if you want to use any strike tag, that case we can use. So I'm doing mistake to write to write a name. Okay, just close my strike tag. Okay, so in this way, so this is my small examples. So now I'm just closing my body tag. Okay, so now our target is to create my external css file. Okay, just click on this, and now I'm going to create my external css file. Okay, so now I can give the name of the file is anything. Just I'm giving the similar name only, example.css. Okay, just I'm using the css file, that I'm writing the name of the file is what example.css file. Okay, and it should be same location. Otherwise what happens, we have to give the full URL of that. Okay, so just I want to make the body background color is something red color. Okay, background color is red or any color. Okay, just you want to make sure you want to use green, we can make them as a green. Okay, so you want anything, so we have a tags. Okay, so you can use any heading tags. Yeah, I want the heading color is is red. Okay, I want the heading color is, and font size or font family is Vardhana Vard, Vardhana. Okay, similarly I can use any another feature, font size, font font size font size is was 30 pixels. We can give any user input value. Okay, so I want to make the text in paragraph tag with, so p is my what, p is a paragraph. I want to make text alignment in the center. So, okay, just I will make them as center. You want to use any left or center right, so we can make them as, you can use of any concept. Okay, you can make a center left, center right, or if you want to make in right, so we can make them as a right. Okay, we can give any values. Okay, there are so many features are there. So what you want to do for the strike tags, so I want to make the strike tag text color is red. Okay, because when it is in the mistake, that will be in red colors. So we can give any color name, but right now I'm just using the. So this is my example.css. So I need to include this inside here. Okay, into href example.css. So this is my file. Okay, now I'm going to run my examples.html file. So where is the examples.html files? Okay, this is my examples.html file. Okay, so I'm going to run that files. Okay, so we can see that. So this is heading, this is examples, and this is left side, right side, and then we are using the strike tag having I am doing mistakes. So this is in the red color. We can check whether it's happened. Strike tag. Okay, it's a red color, and some other is also red color. Make them is a some yellow color. Okay, because sometimes the color is going to overlap, so we are not able to see that one. Okay, strike, this is the examples related to somewhere is missing note. Okay, that's why I'm going to minimize these ones. Okay, examples, this strike and this, where is the missing href, so I need to use double quotations. Okay, just save them. Okay, missing some part. Okay, let's minimize these ones and minimize these ones. Okay, I'm going to refresh my file. Okay, so there are something was missing. Okay, when I click this one, so it is going to open that file. Okay, and this is my strike tags. So in this way we can use the concept of what, we can use the concept of respective external css. Okay, in this external css in HTML files. Okay, this is a small demo. Later I'll be bringing with some more examples. Okay, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Yes and Yes Lab. Thank you so much. Please give your comments. Okay, thank you.